working on some houses.
It is. Can you video with that?
I am.
Oh, you are?
Oh my God.
All right, well, there we go.
Even getting the kitchen. Lana's working on a kite. Sticker was in the wrong place. Work hard there, that's my book. I will. I'm doing it perfectly, just for you. Yep, this is our scrapbooking day with Robin.
Yes, it is.
And look at that
Memories.
smile.
Memories, you betcha.
Well, we can't leave Lewis out of this
Oh, by all
video.
means.
So we're going to take a trip around Robin's house and find Lewis watching TV.
This Sunday.
Oh.